Hello and welcome to another simple tutorial. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into exporting. Open the work that you want to export. Good. Now hold on Shift plus Control plus Alt plus S. For those who don't know, YouTube thumbnails are not to be more than 2 MB, so if you can see over here, this work is over 2 MB. So we need to reduce it over here, and let's play around it. Let's try 70% and click Enter. Alright, so you can see it's still over 2 MB, so let's try 50% and click Enter. Oh my god, really? Okay, let's try 49%. Great, now you click Save and select where you want to save it to and save. Good. That was easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and join my membership link in description for more simple tips about Photoshop.